Okay, now welcome to our class. Are you ready with your food materials, food items? When I say start, you should eat the food and chew the food properly and observe it, how you are eating, okay? How you are chewing, how you are cutting, like that you should observe, okay? Are you ready? Okay, show your food items. Show your food items, which are in your hand. Very good. Akshita, where is your food item? Show me, beta. Fruits, biscuits, chocolates, whatever with you, you ready to eat that. Okay, now I am going to tell you, start 1, 2, 3. Get ready, eat. Eat the food, chew the food, cut the food, grind the food and observe carefully. How nicely you are eating. I am missing you so much. You are enjoying eating. Okay, enough. Superb, stop it. You keep aside. After completion of the class, you complete that food which is remaining. Okay? Everyone, show your hands now. Show your 2 hands. And Devi Priya Likita, show your 2 hands. Very good, very good. Super. Then, I will unmute one by one. You should say, what did you observe while eating? Okay? Now I want to, Kirtan is not getting chance. So now I am going to Kirtan. Kirtan, did you eat anything, Nana? Didn't
No,
you
teacher,
eat
I am
anything?
not.
Okay, I will ask one question. That is regarding yesterday topic. What are the
Okay,
organs
teacher.
of the digestive system?
Mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, large intestine, small intestine.
Superb, Nana. Very good, very good. Super, beta.
Already asked this question, teacher.
Okay, mute yourself, Nana. Next, Fatima. Unmute yourself, Nana. How did you eat the food?
Teacher, mouth.
With the help of mouth. Only mouth? Any else?
Mouth. Food pipe.
Did you eat with food pipe? Which organs
No,
help you
teacher.
to eat the food?
Mouth. Teeth.
Very good.
Tongue.
Superb. These organs helps in eat the food. Very good, Nana. Very good. Next. Anas. Nana, what did you observe while eating? Which organs helps you to eat? Tell me better.
What, teacher, question?
Did you eat anything?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Which organs helps you to eat the food, Nana?
Teeth, tongue, and mouth.
Mouth, tongue, teeth helps you to eat the food. Very good, Nana. Super. Next. Bhuvan Chowdhury. While eating, one liquid is produced in the mouth. What the liquid is called, Nana?
Saliva gland.
Saliva. Saliva is produced by salivary gland. Super. Very good, Nana. Very good. And saliva helps to make the food wet and soft to swallow. Very good, Nana. Bhuvan, super. Next, Niharika. Niharika, which organs helps you to eat the food, Nana?
Teacher, mouth,
Okay.
tongue, teeth, saliva, gums.
Saliva, not the glands. That is the salivary glands produced saliva. So you can say saliva. Okay, when we eat the food, one liquid is in our mouth. That is saliva. Okay. Anything else? No.
Food pipe.
No, I'm not asking all the organs. While eating, which organs helps you to digest the food in the mouth? Particularly, I am asking only in the mouth. Okay. Super, Nana. Very good. Very good. Next, Sai Krishna. Tell me, Nana, Sai Krishna, what are the organs helps to eat the food?
Mouth, teeth,
Hmm.
tongue,
Hmm.
saliva.
Very good. Super, beta, super. Next. Actually, this is yesterday topic. Just I am reminding because yesterday I didn't ask any questions to you. That is why now I am asking you. Next, I will go Likita. Tell me, beta, what are the organs of the digestive system?
Mouth, teeth, tongue, saliva, salivary glands,
Hmm.
food pipe,
Okay.
stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver. Two important organs is liver and pancreas.
Liver and pancreas also very important organs in the digestive system. Very good, Nana. Super. Excellent, my dear. Excellent. And very good.
Pipe
Nana.
is another name.
Okay, I will give chance to others. Okay. Next, Rishi. What did you learn yesterday? Tell me, Nana, about which organs you learned yesterday. We
Teacher,
discussed about
mouth,
two organs. The process
teacher,
of
mouth and food
digestion
pipe.
starts in the.
No. Teacher, mouth and food pipe.
Yeah, yesterday we discussed about mouth and food pipe.
Mouth and food pipe.
Okay, the process of digestion starts in the.
Mouth, teacher.
Very good. Well said. Well said. Very good, Nana. Very good. Next. Okay, then. Okay, remaining questions I will ask completion of the class, Nana. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about the process of digestion. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. Are you getting any screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Welcome to our class, Nina. Grade 5, Science, Chapter 1, the digestive system. Yesterday we discussed about the process of digestion. In this process of digestion, the process of digestion begins in the mouth. Okay. And after that, in the mouth, teeth, tongue, saliva, these are helps in the digestion. After that, food enters into that food pipe. Okay. This food pipe is a muscular tube. It is connected to the mouth to the stomach. And today we are going to learn the topic is stomach. Okay, after reach the food, what will happen in the stomach? How does stomach digest the food in the stomach? Okay. We will learn today. This is a stomach, Nana. Stomach is a large sac-like organ. Are you observing how our stomach will be? How is our stomach? Stomach is a large sac-like organ which helps in digestion of the food. In the stomach, digestive juices. The stomach digestive juices helps in digest the food. Okay. Are you getting my points? In the stomach, what are there? Some digestive juices. They digest the food like a thick paste. After that, the thick paste will goes to that small intestine. You observe here. With the help of stomach, in the stomach also food will be digested. After that, the remaining digested food that will be goes to small intestine. Small intestine is a before going to small intestine, we will discuss about saliva. This is the fact, Nana. Do you know this? Saliva, about 1.7 liters of saliva is produces daily in our mouth. How much? 1.7 liters. Okay, 1.7 liters of saliva produced in our mouth daily. మన నోట్లో రోజుకి 1.7 లీటర్స్ saliva అనేది ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుందంట. మీకు తెలుసా? దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్యాక్ట్. మన నోట్లో రోజు అంత saliva అనేది ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద saliva? మేక్స్ ద ఫుడ్ వెట్ అండ్ సాఫ్ట్ టు స్వాలో. మన ఫుడ్ తినే ఫుడ్ ఈజీగా నోట్ జారడానికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. After digestion of the food in the stomach, it goes to that small intestine. Stomach లో డైజెస్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత మిగిలినది ఇంకా డైజెస్ట్ అవడానికి ఎక్కడికి సెండ్ చేస్తుంది? స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. In this small intestine, it is an approximately 6 meters long. ఎంత పొడవు ఉంటుందంట? 6 meters. 6 meters అంత పొడవు ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, బట్ దట్ నేమ్ ఈస్ స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. పొడవులో అది చాలా పొడవు, కానీ దాని పేరు మాత్రం స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆర్ యు గెటింగ్? దిస్ ఈస్ స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. After completion of the digestion process will complete in that small intestine. Totally completes here. మనం తిన్న ఫుడ్ అంతా కూడా ఎక్కడ కంప్లీట్ గా డైజెస్ట్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఇన్ ద స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. ఓకే, ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ డైజెషన్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఇన్ ద స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. అండ్ ఇన్ ద స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్, డైజెస్టివ్ జ్యూసెస్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ డైజెస్ట్ ద ఫుడ్ కంప్లీట్లీ. స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ లో డైజెస్టివ్ జ్యూసెస్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. అవి ఏం చేస్తాయి? మనం తిన్న ఫుడ్ ని ఇంకా డైజెస్ట్ చేస్తాయి. ఓకే, జీర్ణం చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట. కంప్లీట్ గా డైజెస్ట్ అయ్యేలాగా హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. అండ్ లివర్, ప్యాంక్రియాస్ ఆల్సో హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ డైజెస్ట్ ద ఫుడ్. నెక్స్ట్, you can see here then this is the stomach. After the stomach, the digested food next goes to that small intestine. Okay, liver and pancreas also helps in digestion of food. And small intestine, it is a one of the network, nena density network. చాలా గుంపులుగా ఉంటాయి స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ లో కూడా. ఏంటవి? వాట్ ఆర్ దీస్? ఆర్ కాల్డ్ బ్లడ్ క్యాపిలరీస్. they are present throughout the body. Small intestine connected to that blood capillaries. What are the food is digested here? Small intestine లో అయితే ఏ ఫుడ్ అయితే మనకి డైజెస్ట్ అయిందో, ఫుడ్ డైజెస్ట్ అవుతే ఏమవుతుంది మనకి? we will get energy. ఓకే, మన బాడీ అంతటికి కూడా ఆ ఫుడ్ ని ఎవరు పాస్ చేస్తారు మరి? హూ విల్ పాస్ దట్ ఫుడ్ టు ఓవరాల్ ద బాడీ? దీస్ బ్లడ్ క్యాపిలరీస్ హెల్ప్స్ టు పాస్ ద ఫుడ్ త్రూ అవుట్ ద బాడీ. మన బాడీ అంతటికి కూడా ఈ బ్లడ్ క్యాపిలరీసే మనకి, మనం తినే ఫుడ్ కూడా బ్లడ్ రూపంలోనే కలిసిపోతుంది. మీకు ఆ విషయం తెలుసా? మనం ఏది తిన్నా కూడా అది బ్లడ్ లో మిక్స్ అవుతుంది. ఫుడ్ కంటైన్స్ న్యూట్రియంట్స్. ఆ న్యూట్రియంట్స్ అనేవి ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? అవి కూడా బ్లడ్ లోనే ఉంటాయి. సో దిస్ బ్లడ్ క్యాపిలరీస్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ పాస్ ద బ్లడ్ టు ఓవరాల్ ద బాడీ. బాడీ మొత్తానికి అలా మనం తిన్న ఫుడ్ ని పాస్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి వీ విల్ గెట్ ఎనర్జీ. మనకి ఎనర్జీ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఓకే, I already told the small intestine length is 6 meters long. అది ఎంత పొడవులో ఉందంట? 6 meters long and it is a narrow coiled organ. Narrow coiled organ. చుట్టలు చుట్టుకొని ఉంటుంది. Did you observe? Narrow coiled organ. చుట్టలు చుట్టినట్టుగా ఉంది కదా, అందుకే దాని పొడవు తెలియట్లేదు. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ లెంతీ. You can see here, Nana. This is stomach. Small intestine is a narrow coiled organ. Okay. So this is the homework, Nana. Please take the screenshot, everyone. We will discuss now. Home task. Stomach, small intestine, sac, 1.76. These are the answers. But you should fill in the blanks properly. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Okay. Dash is a sac-like organ. Dash is a sac-like organ. Stomach is a sac-like organ. Sac means bag. It is a bag-like organ. The process of digestion gets completed in dash. Digestion process ఎక్కడ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుందని చెప్పుకున్నాం? Small intestine. Okay. Stomach is a dash-like organ. Sac-like organ. Dash liters of saliva secreted in our mouth in 1 per a day. ఎంత saliva ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది మన మౌత్ లో? 1.7 liters of saliva. Okay. Small intestine is an approximately dash meters long narrow coiled organ. Small intestine ఎంత ఎన్ని మీటర్స్ లాంగ్ ఉంటుంది? 6 meters long. This is the home task, Nana. Okay. Take the screenshot, everyone. Now I am going to stop the share, Nana. Now I want to ask the questions to you. Now I will give the chance to Ullasini. Ullasini, unmute yourself, Nana.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, beta. Dash is a sac-like organ. సంచి లాంటి ఆర్గాన్ ఏంటో చెప్తావా? Dash is a
Teacher.
dash is a sac-like organ.
Satellite organ. Small intestine.
That is a narrow coiled organ. Stomach is a sac-like organ. సంచిలాగా ఉండేది ఏంటి అని అడిగాను. Okay, what is a sac-like organ?
Stomach.
You should say in complete sentence.
Satellite organ is stomach.
Stomach is a sac, S-A-C, sac-like organ. Okay. Very good. Next, Vaishnavi. Unmute yourself, Nana. Vaishnavi.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, Nana. How much a liters of saliva produced in the mouth per day. Daily మన నోట్లో ఎంత saliva produce అవుతుంది? ఎన్ని లీటర్స్ saliva produce అవుతుంది?
7.
How much?
1.7.
1.7 liters of saliva produced in the mouth. Very good, Nana. Next. Please be muted. Unmute yourself, Nana. Gayatri. Unmute yourself, Nana. Are you not getting?
Teacher.
Tell me, Nana. What is the length of small intestine? Small intestine ఎంత పొడవు ఉంటుంది? What is the length of small intestine?
1.
Tell
I
me.
don't know, teacher.
Till now I have explained, no? అది ఎంత పొడవు ఉంటుందో చూపించాను కదా?
I don't know, teacher. 6 meters in long.
6 meters long. Okay, concentrate on the class then. Next. Srivardhan. Unmute yourself, Nana. Vardhan.
Hello, teacher.
Tell me, beta. The question is, the process of digestion completed in dash. Digestion process అంతా ఎక్కడ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది? ఒక ఆర్గాన్ లో కంప్లీట్ అవుతుందని చెప్పాం కదా. What is the organ?
Stomach, teacher.
Tell me once again. The process
Small
of
intestine.
digestion completed in.
Small intestine.
Very good. Okay. Nana Devi Priya, tell me, beta. The process of digestion completed in.
Yes, teacher.
ఎక్కడ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ డైజెషన్?
Small intestine.
Very good. Super. Did you understand now? Next, Akshita. Akshita, unmute yourself, Nana.
Yes, teacher.
Nana, dash is a sac-like organ, Nana.
Stomach.
Very good, beta. Very good. Super. Next, Akshay Seekar and Vasista. Unmute yourself, Nana. How much saliva produced in the mouth, beta?
Teacher.
How much saliva produced in the mouth per day? రోజుకి ఎంత saliva మన నోట్లో ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది?
7 liters.
7. Very good. And another question to you, Vasista. What is the length of small intestine? ఎంత పొడవు ఉంది small intestine? Nana?
6 meters.
Super. 6 meters long. Very good, Nana. Very good. Okay, Nana. Time up.